In this tutorial, I will guide you how to cancel your PVR tickets online. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now, PVR Cinemas have provided information regarding ticket cancellation. As they say here, can I cancel tickets booked online and get a refund? Now, they explain here tickets bought online can be cancelled up until 20 minutes before the show timing. Subject to certain terms and conditions, please refer terms on cancellation in details, terms and condition. Now, this page for the terms and condition, which is very important to read them before cancelling your tickets. So this page will be available on the description of this video. Once you click to that page, come here and scroll down and look for the terms of cancellation as follows here. Now, I just gotta read for you a few lines, but you'll just pass through them as I will leave the link on the description there down below. Now, transaction can be cancelled only after 10 minutes of booking the ticket or F&B. Also, no cancellation will be allowed within 20 minutes of the movie start time. Also, they say here for tickets cancelled 2 hours before show start time, 70% of the ticket value and 100% of the F&B value will be refunded. Now, how do you cancel your PVR ticket? Come to this page here. Also, the link will be available on the description of this video. Also, this page here, I'll also put the link on the comment section there down below. You'll see the contact details here. You can see the WhatsApp number. You can either send them a WhatsApp or call them through the phone number which has been provided here, or send them an email or fill out this form. But I prefer to send them a WhatsApp or just call them through the number which has been provided here, or fill out this form regarding your name, mobile number, email ID, feedback type, select here inquiry, and then write a feedback that you want to cancel a ticket and submit a request. Our PVR support team will be able to reach out to you and help you regarding ticket cancellations. But before cancelling a ticket, it's very important to read these terms of cancellation as follows, since you may not be eligible for a refund if you don't read them correctly. So make sure to pass through them before proceeding to cancel your ticket. All this page will be available on the description of this video.